every design has a theme, a tone, and there is a direction, specific direction and tone and theme of every design. So whether it's mobile app design, whether it's a website design or a branding project, you need to take care of the tone of your design. So there are many tones. I have seen a few of my students asking me that try to create something on that. So you can see your design could be masculine, feminine, childish, looks classic, and it can also look modern, or it can look healthy, and it can look sporty. So these are different tones of your designs. I have also talked about this in my typography course of different voices and tones of your typefaces. Anyhow, I am going to show you a few techniques. So there is tone and there are emotions. So what actually your design is reflecting. So either it could be inspiring, or it reflects freedom, or it is very serious. What is the emotion it is showing to your customer or the user? Whether it's look very trustworthy, whether it shows that this is a very powerful organization, or it is very fun, or it is very creative. So these are different reflections that are coming from your design. So the tone of your design actually depends on the business and the user. So if, for example, you are designing for a tax lawyers, so a lawyer's firm or tax firm, so what are the emotions, or what are the tone, or what is the direction you want to go in? So it must be masculine, it must be serious design, it must be trustworthy, and also it would be inviting. For example, I want my users to try to contact me. So I don't want it to be too serious that they don't try to even contact me, or they don't try to fill out my form. Also, we want to show authority, that we know this business and we have the power and we have the domination and we can solve your problem. So all these things are going to be reflected in that design. Let me show you some examples so we can get these ideas more penetrated into our tiny brains. Now, this is one example, and you can see the tone and theme of the whole design is paper based. So why is that? Because this plagiarism Avenger was basically a plugin, and it was actually for content writers, and it protects content. So you can see the fonts used over here, and the whole this stickers on different papers, these clips on, you can see these staplers or clips. These are all showing the content. So you can see these are few more hints over here that this whole design is based on paper. So the content writers are related to paper because they write their content first on the paper mostly. And so this is my design. I think it's old one, but I did it for a Facebook campaign. You can see another design for the same plagiarism Avenger is this one. You can see here we have different tapes and different arrows. This is all handwritten, like scribbled fonts. So you can see this is how the whole direction of your design can change when the theme and the logo and everything is related to that. So this is how you can see I'm using all the colors, almost similar colors from here. Green, this purplish red color, and this board over here to show some importance or something like that. Anyhow, so this is another design. Let me show you one more ad. This is an ad for Veritas Health, and you can see how this whole design has been laid out, and the typefaces they have used. Summer, this looks very smoothing effect, spine friendly guide to summer. So this is serious a bit, and this is enjoyable. And the same thing you can see over here, the colors are almost the same from this Veritas Health logo, and the image below is very calming. So whole direction is calm and a soothing effect and trustable effect for the user. So you can see the blue color initiates trust, and it is mostly used in trust and safety and something like that. Here is one of my designs I did for some client, and I think I won this. I don't remember, but I think I won this contest. Anyhow, you can see this is about Trader Plaza, and the whole theme is very sleek. And you can see this image has been used just to get the context clear. So this is about business or investing. So you can see a person using this newspaper written very big over here, business. And also we have this video over here, watch the 90-second video. And you can see also this font selection, this type selection is serious. So it is not very fun related. You can see over here. This is the whole design. The direction of the design is a bit flat. Icons, but not that flat. But you can see clarity, trust, and this is how I have created this whole theme. Green is safety. So if I'm investing in something, I might be looking for safety, something like that. You can see how this whole section has been laid out. So you can see this is how I designed this whole theme, and the direction you can see just using these two colors, red and green. Orange means excitement and green means safety. So this is how this whole page has been laid out. And this is a landing page. You can see that this design is totally different from other designs which I have shown you. There were text based or paper based, but this theme is not paper based. So this is how these different directions and emotions and these different tones of designs we have. That is all for this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, do ask me. Let's move on to the next lesson.